The AIDS virus can be kept under control if it's detected early enough. HIV services are trying to encourage more people to test for the virus so they can begin drug treatment promptly. But specialist doctors claim that recent sweeping changes to England's NHS are affecting patients' care. 100 HIV doctors answered questions about the effects of the Health and Social Care Act. A third felt it had already led to poorer care for people with HIV, and nearly two-thirds of the doctors feared a decline in the future. A third expected their programmes to be offered for tender in the next year, with HIV services sometimes separated from other sexual health programmes.
The risk here is if you start to pull apart the blocks, that actually you create gaps in the service. You have people being lost out of that cascade of care, and really those numbers under care and on treatment, effective treatment, will potentially be reduced as a result.
The warning echoes concerns expressed last week by the Lancet Medical Journal. Its editor called for an urgent review of sexual health services in England, saying they'd become far too complex. The government says it's down to the NHS and local authorities to work together to provide good services in this area. Jane Draper, BBC News.